Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking about Regions Bank, and more specifically I'm going to be showing you 3 ways that you can order checks for Regions. So just a little bit of background first on what a check is. It's a physical piece of paper that's linked to your bank account. You can use this to pay someone or a company, and the way that it works is you write the check and then give it to the person that you're paying. They will then deposit the check, and once they do that, the money will be taken out of your account and deposited into theirs. So now that we have a little bit of background on what a check is, I'm going to show you the ways that you can order them. Before we get started, you will need to have a copy of a voided check or something else that has your Regions bank account number and routing number on it. The first thing you're going to do is open your browser on your phone and type in the bank web address. You can use Safari, Chrome, Firefox, whatever browser you normally use will work just fine. I'm going to be using Safari in this video. As you can see, I'm already on the Regions website, and you can see the web address at the top of the screen, regions.com. You can also check the description for the link to the bank. The first way that you can order checks for your Regions bank account is going to be to log on to your bank account online. To do this, you're going to look for the online banking login button towards the top of the screen. So you'll click on that, and that'll bring you to this page here, where you can enter your online ID and your password. Now, if you don't have an online ID and password, right next to that, there's a button that says Enroll. You can click on that and then just follow the instructions on the screen to complete the enrollment process. Once you're in, you're going to go to Banking Options and Order Checks Online if available. Usually banks do charge a fee for checks, and it's normally a set price, but be sure to look for any banking promos that include free checks if you have a certain type of account. The second way that you can order checks is going to be by calling the customer service number for Regions Bank. You can usually find this phone number on the back of your Regions debit card, and it's probably going to be the easiest place to find it. You can also look for a Contact Us page on the Regions website, but that can sometimes be a little tricky to find. So if you happen to know of any other places that you can find the phone number, be sure to let me know in the comments. I do also want to let you know that there's sometimes an additional fee to use this service to order checks, but that's something that the customer service representative will be able to lay out for you when you speak with them. The third and final way that you can order checks is going to be to go to google.com and do a search for order replacement checks for Regions Bank. I've already got this tab up, and I've entered into the search bar order replacement checks for Regions Bank, and what this does is it brings up several websites where you can order checks from. Bradford Exchange Checks, Checks Unlimited, Checks Works, all pretty popular third-party vendors that you can buy checks from. Do be aware that prices and security features will vary when ordering online through a third-party vendor, but if you happen to know of any other good, reputable third-party vendors to order checks from, please be sure to let me know in the comments. Ordering checks this way is also where your voided check will come in handy, because you will need to have your exact Regions bank account number and routing number to order checks this way. Unlike when you order from the Regions bank website or through their customer service number, those numbers are not going to be automatically loaded, and you'll need to provide them exactly correct, so that way you don't have to worry about bounced checks or anything like that. So those are the 3 ways that you can order checks for Regions Bank. I hope that you found this useful, and please be sure to check out the description for more information about Regions.